Taking your space to a new level, even when we're working with existing materials, can sometimes become a challenge, but LJ's loves a challenge. So as designers, we normally try and take a look at all the different materials that's going to be used in a given space. In this actual bathroom, the floor tile had already been purchased. And once we saw what we were working with, the initial products that were chose, we didn't feel were going to give us the look that we were hoping to achieve. So we did go to the tile company. We found a tile to make the shower floor out of, to make that match up with the floor. We did come up with a really nice quartz color for the wall cap, the tub deck, and the counter surface, so that it all kind of blended together and just gave us a really, really seamless look. It was a challenge, but LJ's can work with challenges.